The National Derelict Vehicle Removal Project, which was launched in 2022, aims to remove, process, and export these vehicles for recycling as part of the government's broader climate change and waste management strategy. An initial assessment conducted in collaboration with law enforcement identified approximately 10,000 abandoned vehicles at various locations, many of which pose public health and environmental risk. The Grenada Solid Waste Management Authority, GSWMA, is working in collaboration with the Ministry of Mobilization, Implementation and Transformation, MIT, the Royal Grenada Police Force, RGPF, and the Environmental Health Department within the Ministry of Health and other institutions to implement the project. According to Myrna Julian, Communications Manager, GSWMA, since the launch, over 1,000 vehicles have been collected, processed, and exported for recycling, with the first successful shipment made in February last year. The derelict vehicles are processed and prepared for shipment before being exported to Cadwell Inc. in the United States, where they are recycled into materials such as metal strips and cubes for manufacturing purposes.
We did get feedback that first shipment was completely recycled. And so we are continuing along that line. At this stage, we are doing a review of the project, and we are hoping that with the new equipment that is available to the authority, we will be able to speed up the process. So we should see in the coming months a speeding up of that project.
Julian said one of the main challenges for the authority has been identifying adequate storage facilities for the vehicles before processing, particularly in the northern and western parts of the island, to minimize transportation costs and improve efficiency.
We have been able to store some of these derelicts at a site located opposite the Special Services Unit compound at Camp Salines. That area formerly known as Hotel California, as well as at Perseverance, there is an area opposite the landfill, which is in the vicinity of Halifax Bay, as well as the Telescope former dump site. And we are currently looking for other locations so that we can facilitate the collection and storage of the derelicts in the northern side of the island and the northwestern side of Grenada, because moving the derelicts from those areas to the south of the island and the eastern side of the island, it would cost quite some.
With ongoing collaboration between government agencies, law enforcement, and private sector partners, the National Vehicle Removal Project is expected to ramp up its efforts in the coming months, contributing to a cleaner environment and improved public health. Reporting for GBN News, Nisha Paul.